Welding tools. Welding machine. The working principle of an electric welding machine is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. When an electric current flows through a coil of wire, it creates a magnetic field. If a second coil of wire is placed within the magnetic field, an electric current will be induced in the second coil. Electrodes. In welding, an electrode is a component that conducts electricity to create an arc, melting the base metal and allowing for fusion. It can be a consumable rod or wire that melts and adds filler material to the weld, or a non-consumable one that remains solid and provides a path for the arc. Welding helmet. Welding helmets are crucial for welder safety, protecting against harmful light, radiation, sparks, and spatter generated during welding. They shield the eyes and face from potential injuries like arc eye, burns, and vision damage caused by UV and IR radiation. Gloves. Welding gloves are essential personal protective equipment (PPE) for welders, providing a crucial layer of protection against various hazards associated with welding. These gloves shield the hands from extreme heat, sparks, molten metal, and potential electrical shock, allowing welders to work safely and effectively. Welding torch gun. In welding, a welding torch gun is used to melt and fuse metals, creating a strong, durable bond. It provides a controlled heat source, either through a flame or an electric arc, to melt the base metal and filler material. Apron. In welding, an apron is a crucial piece of personal protective equipment (PPE) worn to shield the welder's body from sparks, spatter, and heat generated during the welding process. Tong. Tongs are essential for welder to hold hot metal pieces while forging, shaping, and welding them. Fume extractor. Welding fume extractors are essential for maintaining a safe and healthy work environment during welding operations by removing harmful fumes and particles from the air. They capture these contaminants at the source, filter them, and release cleaner air back into the workspace, significantly reducing the risk of respiratory problems and other health issues for welders. Earth clamp. In welding, an earth clamp, also known as a ground clamp, is used to securely connect the welding machine to the workpiece, creating a complete electrical circuit for the welding process. It provides a return path for the welding current, ensuring safety and optimal weld quality. Chipping hammer. In welding, a chipping hammer is primarily used to remove slag and spatter from the weld bead after the welding process. The slag welding process forms a crust on top of the weld and needs to be removed to ensure a clean weld surface for inspection and further welding passes. Chisel. In welding, chisels are primarily used for removing excess weld material, such as spatter, slag, and imperfections, and for separating welded components. They are also useful in preparing surfaces for welding by removing rust, paint, or other coatings. Wire Bruch. In welding, wire brushes are primarily used for surface preparation before welding and for cleaning welds after they are completed. Workpiece clamp. Workpiece clamps in welding are essential for securing and aligning materials during the welding process. They prevent movement, ensure proper alignment, and contribute to a strong, high-quality weld. Welding transformer. In welding, a welding transformer is primarily used to step down the high voltage from the power supply to a lower voltage suitable for creating an arc and performing welding. It also increases the current, as voltage and current are inversely proportional in a transformer. This conversion is essential for arc welding, which requires high current and low voltage.